please tell us your name?
My name is Kaushik Patnaik and OPSC roll number is 308896.
Please give us a brief introduction.
Sir, I completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication in year 2011. After that, I have been working in an IT company, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, for almost 10 years. I am going to be completing 10 years in that organization. My primary job profile includes developing, designing and implementing tech solution, and also I am into people management and currently managing a team of 20 plus.
Today is a very important day for Odisha. As far as the tradition and Jagannath culture is concerned, today is a very important day.
Sir, I am aware yesterday was Sudasa Brata and today is Vishwakarma Puja. I am not aware of any specific. Yes, sir.
But it relates to Jagannath culture.
Okay, I am not aware, sir. What?
Do you know the Shunya?
Sir, is it related to some?
Shunya.
Is it related to some tribe, sir?
No.
Because I am aware of something called Sulia Jatra that is predominantly celebrated in Western Odisha.
Sunya re amar Gajapati Maharajankar.
Sir.
Tankar se अभिनंदन ज्ञापन करा हुए इनकैबिनेटेड करा जाए
ओके सर
समस्त विभिन्न भेटी दियंती स्वतंत्र मुकुट से दिन परिधान करती जे सेटा गजपति जो गजपति दायित्व ने दिनटा को से माने ग्रहण कर आछंती
सर
भाद्रव शुक्ल चतुर्दशी तेणु से अनुसार प्रति वर्ष यहाँ पालन होता है शुनिया आज बामन जन्म होता जगन्नाथ मंदिर बामन जन्म से बेस महत्वपूर्ण शुनिया बहुत महत्वपूर्ण ओडिशार माने ट्रेडिशन रे आम परंपरा शुनिया को बहुत पुण्य दिन बोली कह जाए जगन्नाथ संस्कृति आपण बेसिकली क्वालिफिकेशन होची आपण
सर बैचलर ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सर
अच्छा ये जो यदि आपण की पचारियो जो कंडक्टर ऊपर
ओके
आपण को मतलब कि कंडक्टर विषय में आपण बुझांदो कंडक्टर कौन
ओके
बैड कंडक्टर गुड कंडक्टर
ओके सर गुड कंडक्टर माने जोटा एनी गोटे वस्तु जोटा कि फ्री पैसेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन को अलाउ करुची तो बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन मूवमेंट से अलाउ करछि कि अलाउ करनी आम गुड कंडक्टर को बैड कंडक्टर से हिसाब से डिफाइन करेंगे ऑलमोस्ट ऑल मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर्स बिकॉज से इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रीली पैसेज हो पार एंड नॉन मेटल्स आर मोस्टली बैड कंडक्टर्स और दे आर नॉट एट ऑल कंडक्टर्स सर
हमर जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो प्रभाव वैद्युतिक प्रभाव
सर
गोटे तो बिजुली शक्ति जोटा आसूची थर्माल पावर हो कि हाइड्रोलिक पावर हो हाइड्रोइलेक्ट्रिसिटी ता व्यतीत आउ गोटे मेजर रोल अच्छी गोटे कंडक्टर बहुत बड़ रोल अच्छी
सर हमें जदि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सोर्स कि उत्स विषय कहवा देन या व्यतीत आम सोलर एनर्जी सौर शक्ति और विंड एनर्जी
आम दैनंदिन जीवन में घटुची सर तार महत्व रही
कंडक्टर सर
मनुष्य जीवन मध्य
सर
आकाश में बिजुली मारूनी
सर वज्रपात
आकाश जो बिजुलीटा मारूची
सर
बिजुलीटा कौन से आपण कौन एडवाइस करें से कहले गछ मूल ठिया को मना करा कहीं गछटा गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
सर एज सच गुड कंडक्टर नुह किंतु वर्षा पर जेहेतु गोटे कंप्लीट सर्किट मिली जाऊँ से गुड कंडक्टर हो जाए तो से रीजन से आम रहा कथा
मना करा अच्छा धरतु गोटे केनाल गोटे पटे आमे गोटे माने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी माने जोड़ा लाइफ जो वायर को हम पके देलु
सर
जे सेठी केते बाटा पर्यंत आपनकर इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पैक्ट रहिबो
सर सेटा वोल्टेज और करंट रेटिंग ऊपर सर डिपेंड करिवो यदि 128 केवी लाइन जाय छि जोटा के मेजरली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पे यूज होछि सेटा जदि सर छिंडी पड़े केनाल ऊपर देन तार इंपैक्ट नियर बाय एरिया रे बेसी रेंज जाय रहिबो सर किंतु धरंतु आमे घरे जोड़ा आमे यूज करछु 230 वोल्ट 5 एम्पियर नॉर्मल डोमेस्टिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी करंट सर ताकू आमे जदि करबा तार सर इंपैक्ट रहिबोनी सो मोस्टली एटा सर वोल्टेज और करंट रेटिंग ऊपर एटा डिपेंड करिवो कि सर तार इंपैक्ट कोन हो सर
वर्तमान जो हमर जो चाषी मानकर जो आंदोलन चलछि सारा भारत में आपनकर दृष्टि रे सेटा अधिक राजनैतिक ना वास्तविकता ऊपर सेटा पर्यवेक्षित
सर मु भावुचे एथिरे दुईटा जाक एलिमेंट अच्छी कारण चाषी मानकर जो दाबी रोचे कि जो मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस सर्वनिम्न अधिकृत प्राइस जोटा कि गवर्नमेंट मोस्ट ऑफ द 20टा क्रॉप रे सर गवर्नमेंट एनश्योर करे क्रॉपिंग सीजन पूर्व कि सीजन सरला पर दैट इज द मिनिमम प्राइस जो थे कि गवर्नमेंट तांकु किणी नब मोस्टली थ्रू एफसीआईज सर मत लगुच सेटा गोटे तांकर न्याय्य दाबी कारण जेहेतु आमर कॉस्ट ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इनपुट कॉस्ट बहुत बेसी रोची आ इंडिया रे आपण जलसेचित जमीर जोड़ा परसेंटेज सेटा कम सेटा बेसी नुह आमे मॉनसून उपर बेसी डिपेंड करूचे तेणु क्रॉप फेलियर चांसेस सब जगह रोचे तो सही जिनस से जितकी इनपुट कॉस्ट रोचे जोटा कि खर्च रोचे एटलिस्ट से खर्च को सर से बाहर करने एमएसपीटा निहाती भाव में लागू रहा कथा आ जो चाषी मैंने जो आंदोलन कर तार गोटे मुख्य सर पॉइंट है कि दे आर डिमांडिंग फॉर एमएसपी तो मु भावुची सेटा गोटे न्याय्य दाबी
सर्वनिम्न मूल्य सेटा तो एपर्यंत चली आसीथिला
सर गोटे जिनस डिसएग्री करियो सर
किंतु सेटा तो सक्सेसफुल हेलानी
सर सेटा सक्सेसफुल हेनी कारण आमर जो वे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन होचे सर मो व्यू रे सर सेटा ठीक नुह फॉर एग्जांपल आमे मिलर्स आउ मिडिल मैन माने बहुत जगह सर इन्वॉल्व अछंती तो सही केस रे तांकु प्रकृत मूल्य जोटा मिलिया कथा चाषी मान को सेटा सर मिली पारु नाही तो ए जगह सर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन गैप रोचे सेटा को आमे जदी करेक्शन करि परिबा ताहले मु भाबुची कि जोटा सर्वनिम्न मूल्य जोटा एमएसपी सेटा चाषी मान को मिली परियो
भारतीय शासन रे आमर पद्धति शासन पद्धति बा आमर अर्थनैतिक पद्धति सामाजिक पद्धति एथरे जो मिडिल मैन जो रोल से पर आपन को ताको उच्छेद कर पारिबे
सर हमें निश्चित भाव में आम चेष्टा करें माने उदाहरण स्वरूप आगु सर जोड़ा बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर होता सेटा सर वाया कैश होता 2016-15 पूर्व बट तापर सर जनधन अकाउंट समस्त को मैंडेटरी कर दिया रुपे कार्ड आसीगला जोटा कि बिना बैलेंस रे भी जड़े करें संचय खाता करें आउ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फंड ट्रांसफर द्वारा मध्य सर से जो लीकेज होता आगु जोटा मिडिल मैन आउ डिफरेंट जो मैंने अन्याय भाव में नहीं जाऊे कि लीकेज रोला सर से जिन गुड़ाक बहुत मात्रा कमी जाइए मु भावुँ सर बहुत एवेन्यूज अच्छी जो थे कि आम निहाती भाव में मिडिल मैन या आम हटे पारिबा ता द्वारा सर पारदर्शिता आउ एफिशिएंसी सर बढ़ियो
तो पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग जो कांसेप्ट आसीला
सर
सेटा केबिट हो सेटा काई के आसला
सर मु भावुँ पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग गुड़ाक सिंस लेट 1950s रु अच्छी सर तार आसबार सर कारण है कि गवर्नमेंट रो सर ओनरशिप रे मालिकानार गवर्नमेंट रो इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहिबा दरकार थिला जोटा कि प्राइमरी सेक्टर थिला फॉर एग्जांपल जो इंडस्ट्री गुड़ाक सर माइनिंग क्वेरिंग मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इनिशियली सर सब जगह गवर्नमेंट हैंड होल्डिंग आवश्यकता थिला आम धीरे धीरे जिते 1980s और 1990s आड़ को बढ़िले से उदारीकरण ये जिनसा बेसी सर से लॉजिकल स्टेप थिला बट भारतर स्वाधीनता पर सर डिफरेंट जोड़ा प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री जोड़ा कि सर आमर एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेट कर जोड़ा इनिशियली जीडीपी को कंट्रीब्यूट कर प्राइमरी सेक्टर से गुड़ाक सर गवर्नमेंट मालिकाना रहा दरकार थिला कारण से गुड़ाक ही सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी इंडस्ट्री गुड़ाक
देश रे हमर जो पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग सब सृष्टि कराय तरा सर सफल हैला कि
सर ये विषय सर बेसिस सर आइडिया नहीं सर धारणा नहीं सर बट सर विथ पासिंग टाइम कंप्लीट गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल टा सर
आगु तो गवर्नमेंट रो जो हमर जो गवर्नमेंट रो जो सेटअप
सर
से गवर्नमेंट सेटअप रे जेमति डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट जिन चलची ऑफिस चलची सेमति चलता सब
सर
सेथुरु टिके परिवर्तन कराई कि से पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग रो कांसेप्ट आछला
सर
राष्ट्रायत्त संस्था जाओ
सर
तेणु सेटा सफल होला कि सेटा आपनकर जो माने
सर संपूर्ण
परवर्ती हम जो 1951 ପରେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତ ୟା ଭିତରେ ତ ପ୍ରାୟ 70 ବର୍ଷ ଆସିଗଲାଣି ତ ତେଣୁ ସେଟା ସଫଳ ହେଲା
सर मु भावुची आमे परिवर्तित समय हिसाब रे आमे प्राइवेट एंटिटीज मान को भी परसेंटेज दवा कथा कारण आमे इतिहास रे हिस्टोरिकली सब देखि चुके जेतबे प्राइवेट प्लेयर आसुंदी सर दे ब्रिंगिंग द एफिशिएंसी दे ब्रिंगिंग द न्यू टेक
टिके आपन टिके बुझियार टिके भूल रहउची
सर
पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग जोड़ा सब होला पीएसयूज सेठी गोटे निर्दिष्ट गोटे निर्दिष्ट नियम अलग प्रणायन करा जे साधारण भाव में गवर्नमेंट सरकारी ऑफिस चलती टिके परिवर्तन करके से राष्ट्रायत्त संस्थार मुख्य जी हम से जड़े पब्लिक सर्वेंट
सर
से जड़े वरिष्ठ प्रशासनिक अधिकारी कि अधिक क्षमता दिगला
सर
अधिक क्षमता दिगला कि क्राइसिस मैनेजमेंट को फेस करिया जहाँफल कि माने बेसी डेवलपमेंट कर पारे जदि पारादीप पोर्ट ट्रस्ट रे हेड जी से सीनियर आईएएस अफसर आईएएस किंतु तार पाखर बहुत पावर अछि
सर
तानो दिया है जे 10 कोटी टका पर्यंत कोनोसी वर्क ऑर्डर को से ताकर निजे कर दी पारे परे से ताकर बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर बोर्ड ऑफ ट्रस्टीज रो अप्रूवल नेबे तातर कोन होला से जवाहरलाल नेहरू को चिंताधारा था से केमती जल्दी हम देश हम विभिन्न सब प्रकल्प गुड़ाक आगे आसो
सर
आउ सेटा सफल हैला नाही
सर
तेणु से सात अर्थनैतिक से अपन बेटर पाइबे
You are an engineering graduate,
sir
but you have offered subjects like geography and home science.
yes sir
So you have no confidence on your own subject.
sir
You will do well in the exam subject because you have an engineering background.
Sir.
You have studied it for 4 years.
sir
So why did you not take these engineering subjects?
sir from cracking this exam point of view I believe the availability of material is not that great in electrical engineering. I believe in from engineering stream we just have electrical and civil engineering as an optional in OPSC. So I believe there is not much material on that, and because not many people are opting for that optional, so we do not have adequate information on what kind of marks is being given in that subject. So that is the reason I wanted to go for this subject, sir.
If you do well, then you must fetch a good mark.
Sir.
But you should have confidence that I do well.
Sir.
Now there is something going on in Afghanistan, our neighboring state.
Sir.
What is your idea on that? What should be the stand of India so far as the foreign policy is concerned towards Afghanistan?
Okay, sir. Sir, 2 years back, Taliban was a listed terrorist organization in most of the in the list of international agency. But in the changing geopolitical scenario, now they are trying to form the government. They have also done their press conference in Oman, and they are trying to portray their picture as some kind of responsible entity, which I mean, they are basically trying to form a government there. Now. Because Afghanistan, because of the geographical location of Afghanistan, Indian students shy away from holding maybe back-channel talks or formal talks with Afghanistan. Because if India doesn't do that, maybe Pakistan, China, and probably Russia can take advantage of that. So, and because of that geographical location, sir, I believe China and Pakistan are increasingly trying to make more connections with Taliban or let's say Afghanistan, because they have their strategic interest there in the form of CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. Also they have major port projects there near the Gulf in Iran. So those are of strategic importance to them. From Indian perspective, sir, we also need to hold the talks with Taliban. They are yet to form a formal government, but I believe we shouldn't shy away from making advances with keeping relationship with Afghanistan, sir. Even though it is being headed by a so-called terrorist organization, but eventually they are going to form a government there. What kind of government they will form, it is again a question, the future can tell. But from geopolitical point of view, we should keep our options open with Afghanistan because the situation is still changing and developing.
The step of the decision of the United States to withdraw troops from Afghanistan, it is globally criticized that it was a wrong step. The US government should not have taken such step.
Sir.
But President Biden justifies his action. So, how do you appreciate the action of America in Afghanistan, withdrawal of troops?
Sir, as per the some news reported editorials, US never had full control over Afghanistan. The US, the military, mainly the US had good control in Afghanistan only in the urban areas, the city areas such as Kabul, Kandahar, Mazar-e-Sharif and so on. But ideologically, the rural Afghanistan was always inclined to Talibani ideologies. So that is the reason why there were just 70,000 Talibani fighters and more than 3.5 lakhs US trained Afghani forces, but they simply surrendered. There was no resistance at all in any of the places, and just within weeks they were able to capture most of the cities. So I think from US point of view that was completely logical because they were spending a lot of money there, the training the Afghani forces. Always they put in a lot of money to while trying to set up a democratically elected government there, but all these attempts failed. So it made no sense for them because they have been already spending money for more than 21 years. So I think they took a logical step.
You are a student of geography.
Sir.
What is the length of coastline of Odisha?
Sir, about 430 kilometers. 430 kilometers.
30?
Sir.
No, it is 480.
Okay.
480 kilometers.
Okay, sir.
Which is the highest mountain of Odisha?
Devmali Hills.
In which district it is?
Koraput, sir.
Koraput. We find that in almost all the meetings, Prime Minister Modi appeals to the people with a vibrant popular slogan. What is that slogan?
Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. I mean, that was one of the famous slogan. But nowadays, Sabka Vikas.
Again?
Sir, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas.
Only two.
Okay.
Complete.
That is one of the famous slogan. And
Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Then?
okay. Then, sir, this is the most famous one that came.
Sabka Vishwas.
Okay.
Recently he has added Sabka Prayas.
Okay.
So what does it indicate, signify?
Sir, basically, I believe he wanted to emphasize on Atmanirbhar Bharat because everybody has to come together and give do their bit from their personal effort. Sabka Prayas means everybody has to come together and do their bit for the upliftment of the country and image building. It can be anything basically.
It is something different from Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is something commercial and relates to industrial growth, independence without making any import or something. India should be self-reliant in industry and industrial product like that. But Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, these are something relating to the political affinity and the strengthening the affinity between different communities, different sections of people. Sabka Saath means taking all the sections of people in the one fold with the government. Sabka Vikas, development of all sections. Sabka Vishwas, that is earning the confidence of all sections of people.
Sir.
Then Sabka Prayas, all should participate in the overall development of the country. This is something, a slogan appealing the people to unite for a strengthening the bond of unity and affinity,
Sir.
like that. It has something with commercial, no doubt, but it has the more appealing tone towards the unity and integrity of the nation. That is.
Okay.
Kindly give one good person for this.
Sure, sure.
Kindly give 5 the most important qualities of an officer.
Qualities?
More 5 only.
Okay, okay. Sir, the person should be a good listener.
Pardon?
The person should be a good listener, good team player, should be a good leader, should be able to influence and motivate people. Fourth could be discipline and timeliness, because it is very much needed, because punctuality we can say. And fifth could be perseverance, or we can say patience, because like the demand of the job is getting cumbersome day by day. So we need to also keep our mental sanity, and we need to do our best so that we are doing justice to the job, sir.
Should he have the adequate knowledge on the subject he deals?
Sir, I believe with passing time, with learning and experience, we usually get that thing. Initially, it is not needed. I think the attitude is of utmost importance. The attitude to learn on the go, sir.
No, sometimes it is learned. I have seen that suppose somebody is appointed as the administrator of a, say, Tintol cotton mill.
Sir.
Earlier to that, he was working as the deputy director of animal husbandry,
Sir.
in charge of the suppression of the flu of birds.
Sir.
Then he is posted as the managing director of Tintol cotton mill.
Sir.
So, to know what the cotton mill is there, what is the marketing, he will take 6 to 7 months.
Yes, sir.
If he is more interested, go to files minutely and other things.
Sir.
And then before 2 years, he is again transferred
Yes.
to the Banana Development Corporation. So, how do you read this? Is it the right proper principle adopted by the Government of India and for this placement of the administrative officers?
Sir, I think in terms of tenure, I think a person should be allowed to stay in a post for at least 3 years, because as you said, it takes almost 5 to 6 months to get a hold of what the thing is all about, and remaining 2.5 years will go how they are going to improve the present things. So definitely there shouldn't be random transfer, because it takes few months to get a familiarity with the subject where the person is posted, the particular department where the person is posted with. So definitely there should be some guarantee of tenure in that particular post, so that it is beneficial to all. Because at the end of the day, if you keep on transferring officers, so I believe that will not add any value. That is only lead to chaos. That's what I believe, sir.
So, what is the, are you satisfied with the role of judiciary in independent India?
Yes, sir. I mean, in terms of the way they are functioning, definitely yes. But I think there should be adequate number of courts.
I want to specific.
For example,
With the very aim
okay.
that the judiciary system was enacted in our constitution and it will implemented. Whether that aim has been properly achieved?
Sir, not fully, I will say, because the judiciary is very much voracious about, I mean, they are very, I will say, the judicial review process, I mean, the way they are very much open about different policies of government. For example, recently the Honorable CJI said that while appointing the tribunal member across countries, government is just is not fully following the rules of the book. because they are open to, at least they are able to criticize the government, and that's what they are supposed to do whenever necessary. So in that respect, judiciary is doing the job. But I believe there should be more tribunals and courts, because of the size of this country, because of the number of cases every day that we are seeing as per the NCRB and state crime reporting, the SCRB authority. There should be more courts. There shouldn't be much vacancies. But I believe even judiciary is grappling with so much vacancies at different levels. So that should be addressed as soon as possible. But in terms of holding the spirit of judicial review, I guess they are doing a good job.
So while assessing the general development of our country, two things are lacking in the people of India, for which we have faced the failure as compared to the neighboring progressive nations.
Okay.
Can you name these? Can you just identify what are the
I mean, two qualities of people which shouldn't be there, but because of that we are not progressing. If I understand the question correctly.
Are you really patriotic?
Yes, sir. I pay my taxes in advance, so that is the first thing. I believe I am doing my bit.
Should he give more importance to the interest of the nation than that of personal interest?
At times, yes,
That is
sir.
a patriotism.
Yes. Agree.
And second factor is, are we really sincere to our job? Are we really laborious? Are we really hardworking?
Sir, to some extent, yes, but I believe there should be more, people should be rewarded more. I mean, when there is some good works happening, people need to be appreciated at every level. So we can do better in that regard. We should appreciate people more when someone is
I will
doing a
just
good job.
take 1 minute. My personal experience.
Sir.
This is out of the port, but since you are a senior executive working in a Tata consultancy, I have seen the crane operator who is working for Odisha Estimators, Mayanand Mishra. He works for 12 hours
Sir.
and he is only allowed to come down the train for having tea once.
Sir.
Paradip Port Trust has employed the crane operators. The crane operator of Odisha Estimators, he gets 15,000 rupees. Paradip Port crane operator, he starts the salary with 20,000 rupees.
Okay.
And every year the enhancement in salary and other things.
Sir.
He just goes off, works for 1 hour, then again comes back.
Okay.
Some pretext.
For water or tea or something.
Sir.
If the senior officer presses high, that why we are not doing this, that, he says that the machine is not working, sir.
Okay.
Machine is not properly functioning.
Okay.
So then how to identify? In case of Odisha Estimators,
Sir.
suppose machine is not working, immediately the engineer is called, he goes up and he says, what is the defect, what is to rectify it.
Sir.
Here, send the message to the electrical and mechanical department.
Okay.
So the message is shared to 3 hours. Then after that somebody comes.
Sir.
Then he analyzes where is the manual.
Okay.
For every applicant manual is there.
Yes, sir.
Where is the working manual?
Sir.
So that is also searched. So the entire day is gone.
Okay, sir.
But he will get the salary.
Okay.
But in case of Odisha Estimators, if he will not deliver the good, next day he is not in the job.
Sir.
So is this one of the reasons of the failure in our culture?
Yes, sir. It is a very good example, actually, sir.
I'm just linking the questions of sir, what sir said.
Sir.
So, what's the difference you found out in both the working system?
I think the accountability is not there. The first example, I mean, the person who is employed by the Paradip Port Limited, the accountability is not there. And in case of any kind of deviation, that we need to set accountability, like for completion of work. Yes.
The accountability is more required than responsibility.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me, Kaushik, how we are going to handle. I think I asked you yesterday, but I'm just elaborating it. Living a comfortable life in TCS and going to a rural remote area and working as a video or tahsildar.
Okay.
When you are, how you are going to manage the difference in your living habits and your workplace and everything? How are you going to balance that?
I believe in the first couple of months while being posted as video or tahsildar, just we need to have more conversation with the colleagues in office. It could be the peers, it could be the seniors, it could be the juniors. It is more important to build that confidence and rapport before getting anything done by our colleagues or juniors. That is very much important. I think that process will be more time consuming in this setup than my present setup. So it is definitely going to take more time in the civil service.
Okay, one more thing. Suppose you're working in a company or in an organization where there is a lot of interference from the trade union.
Okay.
Okay, how are you going to deal with that?
Well, we need to talk to them first. We need to listen to their demands if they are legit, and if those can be accommodated well within the prescribed rule. So definitely those need to be heard. But in most of the time, they do have some kind of unreasonable demand. So that cannot be
That
admitted.
is what I'm asking. When there is an unreasonable demand,
Okay.
how are you going to deal with that?
Maybe for short term, we need to give them some kind of consolation to at least ease up the situation a bit, and then we can think of a long term situation on how not to let that situation happen again. But we need to immediately diffuse the situation, because the small things, if not handled correctly, will lead to bigger problems. So in particular in case of trade union, we have seen this historically.
After trying a lot, you are not able to bring out any change. In that, are you going to stay there or you are going to change your place?
Sorry, I didn't get the question.
After trying a lot to change
Okay.
their attitude,
Okay.
you're not able to do that. You're in pressure now.
Okay.
So, will you change your workplace or you will continue working there?
Maybe I'll try more. I'll see for all the alternatives which I haven't tried yet, and maybe changing the place would be the last thing that I will think about. But I'll just go on searching for the other alternatives. Maybe I'll talk to my colleagues and senior who have been in the same situation before. Maybe I'll try to get some idea how to diffuse the situation effectively. That's what I'll do.
Okay. Do you think it's easy to bring about change in others or bring about a change within yourself?
I think the change should start with oneself first. So that is most difficult, I believe. That needs a lot of discipline. So yes, it is difficult to bring the change in oneself. And that is very much needed. I mean, if you want some change in others, then we need to change ourselves first.
It's easy to change yourself, I think, than to change others.
I think people are the collection of individuals only. If that can be done by me, then probably I can teach someone how to do this by oneself.
Exactly. How do you handle pressure at work?
Usually I take a walk, I take a break of 10-15 minutes, and after 15 minutes suddenly the problem seems it is not that tough, and usually in that time I get some idea on how to tackle the situation. So the best, for me it works like that. I usually take a break of 10-15 minutes and I do not think anything about the problem at all, and after that I think everything in a fresh perspective. That helps.
How would you work in peace with a person who is totally different from you?
Okay, so maybe we can try to get what the expectations are of that person, if that those can be accommodated. Like recently happened with one of my teammates. He is a very good coder, but I was seeing that he was not performing very well. So I had a one-to-one discussion with him that what is the expectation, what is the thing that is bothering him to not to perform to his optimal. He said that like his basically his promotion was overdue by that
I
time.
just want in one word or one sentence, how would you be in peace with him? First, you have to respect his way of thinking.
Okay.
Maybe he is correct in his own way, you are correct
Yes.
in your own way. There's
Yes.
a difference, every people have a different model of the world.
Yes.
So you should respect each other's model of the world, and there should not be any
Yes.
difference of opinion always. It doesn't arise. When you start accepting
Yes.
the person as he is, So that is the way you can be a very, as you are in the people management and team, actually I don't have to tell you much.
Yes.
And it's done. You're perfect, okay?
Ma'am, what is your,
I will tell you.
from yesterday's, there were some
Yesterday I'm telling you, your feedback is,
the pitch was high.
it was initially low.
Okay.
Then again it started rising
Oh, for today?
today.
Okay, okay.
Okay, initially it was alright.
Okay,
Then today, after some time, it started rising.
okay.
Okay. Other things conceptually were clear. Confidence is good. Okay. And go but slow answering.
Okay, ma'am.
You're going very fast.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. So any feedback?
You are appearing before a board for the assessment of your personality.
Yes, sir.
So you are not participating in any discussion.
Right.
So for the specific question, you please answer the specific answer in short.
Okay.
Don't elaborate it in the initial stage.
Okay.
If the member wants that kindly explain, then you can elaborate.
Okay, sir.
You are a prospective candidate for Indian Administrative Service. Don't stop here. Even if you will definitely get Odisha Administrative Service, as far as my experience I have to say, but don't limit yourself to that. You try for Indian Administrative Service. You are a prospective candidate for Indian Administrative Service.
Yeah.
Whatever the amendments the madam has suggested, you kindly adapt it. So you are appearing a board. You are appearing a board to display your personality. You are not participating in a discussion.
Okay, sir.
So you have to be very specific.
So-
You don't have much. Answer as it has asked you.
Okay.
And the other things, you're balanced, not nervous, that's a very plus point of yours. And as you are having experience in Tata Consultancy Services for 10 years, so you have got a good personality, of course. Just brush up your optionals and keep in mind your pitch.
Yes.
Okay, and it's a little bit slow.
Okay, ma'am.
You are going as if there is a debate competition, as such, okay?
Yes, yes.
So that, because our board is there to judge you, how you are going, what you are doing. They must not be knowing the answers, but they are seeing how you are answering.
Right,
That is it.
right.
Right?
Right.
Anyway, try for UPSC also, you will clear OPSC and do connect us, we will get and give us a big hint. Okay?
Thank you.
All the best. All the
Quite
best.
satisfactory.
He was a very senior officer in finance service.
Mail.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, what is your present pay package in TCS?
Sir, way above what I will be getting here. Sir, there is one more, how do I handle that question? I mean, reasonably, how, because even there is a prospective question that can be asked, like regarding how you are going to handle that. So,
Social prestige.
can I say that? I mean,
Yes.
they are not really.
No, social prestige you can say. Yes. Diversities. And you're not limited to your package. You're limited to work for the society and your satisfaction for getting that.
Okay.
Okay? That can be, because your package may be higher than what you get here now initially. Definitely, I think. So that can be your answer. All the best. Sorry, I have to say.
Nisukti I explained befitting the audition ଅଧିକ କହିବାର ପ୍ରବଣତା ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଡିସ୍କସନରେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ୍ କଲା ସେ କରୁଛି
ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ଟିମ୍ ଲିଡର ଅଛି ସାର୍ ତାର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ନାହିଁ
After, sir.
Give us a parting message, okay, when you get through.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନାଲି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ଖରାପ ପାଇବେ ଆଉ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଫଲୋ ମି
Health-wise.
Don't follow me. Restrict. Because your long future is there. I faced much difficulty for this extra addition. yourself fit. That is the cause of unfitness.
Yes.
Many. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
The best.
Sorry, I like to catch it. I used to theoretically pay.
Horse, of course. Horse, sir.
निश्चय पाइबे
मत सब पर्सपेक्टिव जना पड़ुछन काहे जो माने टिके लो परफॉर्मेंस से
Reservation one.
माने रिजर्व का
ସେମାନେ ତ ପାଇଲେ
से दिजन अधिक ले गोटे रिजर्व तो भलो करछि अति भलो से बांडा निजे
हाँ बांडा से बहुत बड़ा
सर्विस मैन से तो अति भलो करछि
नहीं नहीं से झट तो पाए
से तो अति भलो कला आ जो दिजन के लो परफॉर्मेंस ला से रिजर्व कैटेगरी जे
अजय कुमार मांडा से भलो ताते दी
मार्कानी आउट कोन सब
तीन जन का पैसा पाई जेबे तीन जन पाइले आउ एता रहला आदित्य महापात्र
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 जन
चौदह जो कटक राजस्थान में भी से देना
वो संडे पळेबो तो इंटर्नशिप पे से मामा एते देरी को होचो आसे
नहीं सब काम
आसी कर देले
पोसा के कटक से भी तो रास्ता है
स्टूडेंट 1:2
हम फॉरेस्ट सर्विस से जो इंटरव्यू करते लोग पीएम पाड़ी की डाके
सर मास्टर
हाँ पीएम पाड़ी से हम प्रिंसिपल चीफ
पीएम पाड़ी आपको क्लासमेट है हां अच्छा से जुलूजी पढ़तला जे प्रियनाथ पाड़ी और डिबेट रे हमें फेस टू फेस होगुलो डिबेट कंपटीशन रे से आसला अनुगुल कॉलेज की ढका अनुगुल रु आसला जी जूलॉजी ऑनर्स नहीं पढ़तला ये प्रियनाथ पाड़ी
बहुत भलो माने पिला के संग इंटरेक्शन करले फॉरेस्ट लॉ ऊपर उदय से फोन करते
के
वो हम सेक्रेटरी
उपेंद्र मिश्र
उपेंद्र सर
कौन सी मीटिंग करा
फिर आपण निश्चय सूचना आसवे हम जीवी मो गोटे साढ़े गोटे फोन रही कारण मोर पुणे पड़ी 3 टा तो इंटरव्यू कैसे अच्छा
तो
जय श्री जगन्नाथ जी नमस्कार मो प्रभात नंद कहूँ जे एक्चुअली कुड़ कहले हमर से घर रे जो हमारा ऑफिस छुटा है जो हमारा जो कॉर्पोरेट तक जो कॉर्पोरेटर का ऑफिस में करे आए हाँ हाँ आए ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ସେଇଟା ତ 11ଟା ବେଳେ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଆଜ୍ଞା ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଯିବି ନାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଉ ଜୟ ଶ୍ରୀ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଜୟ ଶ୍ରୀ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଯାହା ଗୋଟେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଉଛି ଆଉ କ'ଣ ପିଲାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ୍ ଟଏଲେଟ୍ରୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଛି ଓଭରୱେଟ୍ ମୋତେ ଏତେ ହଇରାଣ ମାନେ ଅଧା ମୋତେ ମାନେ
ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିକ୍ୟାପ୍ କରିଦେଉଛି
ହଁ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିକ୍ୟାପ୍ ଯେତିକି ମୋର ଡେଲିଭରି କରିବା କଥା ଏନର୍ଜି କରିଥିବ